Good paintbrushes are like good friends. If I want them to be friends for life, I need to take care of them. Here are some tips from me. Before I start painting, I dip the brush in water and squeeze it out. In this manner, I prevent paint from attaching itself to the color base already before painting, and the bristles from strutting after some time. After painting, all brushes you have used should be cleaned thoroughly. For cleaning, use 9 parts of clean water and 1 part highly concentrated Lascaux Brush Cleaner. Such a 10% solution is completely sufficient. The cleaner is perfectly suitable for rinsing out acrylic colors. It is highly yielding, free of solvents and biologically degradable. First of all, I clean the brush thoroughly under running water. Then I dip it into my diluted brush cleaner. In my heel of hand, I then thoroughly churn out the brush. If any residue remains, I repeat the procedure. Now I squeeze out the bristles between my digit finger and thumb and realign the bristles. Then I lay down the brush to dry, or even better, I hang it up. This is the best way for it to recover and to prevent that the color loosens. Even dried up brushes and brushes containing dried paint can be brought back to life. For this you need to use undiluted Lascaux Brush Cleaner. I soak both of them overnight and rinse them out thoroughly with water next day. In this manner your painting tools become as good as new again and can be used for many years to come. One more tip. Lascaux Brush Cleaner can also be used to gently yet thoroughly clean my work table.